In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add parallax to any image in Wix Editor. This feature can bring a dynamic and professional flair to your website, grabbing your visitors' attention with just a few simple steps. First things first, we need to add an image to your page if you haven't already done so. Navigate to your Wix Editor and find the spot on your page where you'd like the image to appear. Click on the Add button, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your screen. Once there, select Image from the drop-down menu. You have the flexibility to choose from your current uploads, Wix's image library, or upload something new from your device. Make sure the image you choose is relevant to your content and of high quality to make the most impact. Once your image is placed on the page, it's time to transform it with a bit of animation magic. Click directly on the image you've just added. You should notice a small toolbar popping up over the image. From this toolbar, look for the animation icon. It's often represented by a small bouncing ball or a motion wave. Click on this icon, which will open up a whole new set of animation options for you to explore. Now that you have the animation menu open, you'll see a variety of exciting possibilities to apply to your image. For the purpose of adding a parallax effect, we're going to focus on mouse effect. Click on this option to delve deeper into a selection of effects tailored for mouse interactions. Parallax is all about depth and movement, so review the available effects carefully and choose the one that best enhances the mood and style of your site. After selecting the desired mouse effect, take a preview of your page to see the parallax effect in action. Hover your mouse over the image to see how it interacts and adjusts with the motion. It's a fantastic way to create an immersive experience for your visitors and give your site a cutting-edge feel that's both engaging and visually appealing. Before finalizing everything, don't forget to consider how the effect integrates with the rest of your website's design. A well-chosen parallax effect should complement your overall branding and not distract from the main content. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, hit the Publish button to make the changes live on your website. Adding a parallax effect to your Wix images can significantly enhance your website's interactivity and aesthetic appeal. With these simple steps, you now have the knowledge to create a more dynamic experience for your visitors. Keep experimenting with different effects to find what suits your style best. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!